Hey everyone, I got two stocks for you and why they can win big as California rebuilds after the wildfire. So I'm going to give you the two tickers, the trades, and talk about the why. And I want to know in the comments if you agree or disagree with my theory and with these $1.25 million orders for a total of over $2.5 million on this trade. Let's get into it. So we're going camping in Rainbow Springs and surrounded by trees. Now, luckily in Florida, they don't catch on fire, but in California, we are officially 1 year after the fires. And as of November 2025, only one home out of thousands that got destroyed has been rebuilt. Now, I know you're going to say, and I don't want to get too much into politics, hey, the politician said we were going to see the homes being built at a rapid rate and regulation, red tape, cut it all. Well, it's not the case, but I think we might see some kind of, I don't want to say executive order, but some kind of oomph to really get home building on the right track. No matter on what side of the alley you're on, you can't ignore these two $1.25 million trades that someone late in the day, within the last 15 minutes of the trading day on Friday, put on. So let's first get into the number one ticker, and it is Generac. Now, oftentimes when we think of Generac, that's GNRC, you think of homes in Florida, homes in Louisiana, hurricane relief, rebuilding, generators, or houses losing power, people getting generators for power. Well, new homes, no matter where you live, what are you starting to see more of? Not just in Florida where I am, but people are installing generators. Whether you're a business, whether you're residential or commercial, Generac is often a play when there is economic growth in terms of building. So in Florida, usually you'll have Generac, Home Depot, low stock goes up when we get a hurricane because people are rushing to Home Depot to buy their generators. But that was the first trade that caught my attention. Then I started seeing call buying, again, same day, right within the same few minutes of each other, in Builder Source, ticker BLDR. Now they went to the same expiration, March, and I believe in Builder Source, they did the 160 calls. The stock is already up about 22% year to date. Now, Builder Source, they do everything pretty much in terms of building homes, whether it's drywall, whether it's parts, they kind of do it all. So I thought, could this be the same trader, the same hedge fund? What are we starting to see in the media a lot right now? California wildfires, how the politicians, how the city has not done anything to help rebuild. So I'm thinking there might be some kind of political action, or it could just be the front runner for the Democratic Party, Gavin Newsom, who's a favorite according to the prediction markets. Maybe he, to save or to generate some votes behind his campaign, does some kind of order to say, look, after my action plan, we built 500 homes within 6 months. Something to make him look good. As you've probably seen, he's been doing media rounds. He started his own podcast. I don't think he's wanting to have a negative, another negative we'll call it, on his record with these wildfires because it's scary. So I don't know who this could be. Could it be a hedge fund? Could it be just a large trader? Could it be someone in the real estate industry? Could it be someone in the, mayor's office, the local politician who got a little, had a backdoor conversation? It's a big bet, and two names you rarely ever see option flow in. And that's, again, Generac, GNRC. That was the March 185 calls. And I believe they paid around $380. I'll have to check. Maybe I'll be able to post it on a screenshot on the editing. And then Builder Source, BLDR. I believe that one, same March, but I believe that one was the 160 calls. And that stock, again, it's already up a lot, 22% year to date. And we're about less than 20 days to the start of 2026. Let me know if you agree with the large trader, if you agree with my theory that maybe something has to be done with California rebuilding, or could it just be major economic growth in the real estate, really all kinds of industrial production with those two stocks in play? Make sure you like, subscribe, leave those comments, and I'll see you on the next video.